Are you tired of waiting ages for your Telegram files to download? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the proven steps to download your Telegram files up to 10 times faster. By the end of this video, you'll know how to optimize both your app and your connection so you can get your media and documents in a fraction of the time. No tech expertise required. Let's dive right in. First, optimizing your internet connection. Honestly, this is the secret sauce for any kind of download, not just on Telegram. If you're on mobile data and it feels sluggish, try switching over to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi tends to offer better speed and stability, and if you have access to a desktop, plugging in with a wired connection can eliminate any little slowdowns caused by weak signals or interference. Think of your connection like the highway your files travel on. A smooth, wide road lets your downloads zip along, while a busy, bumpy one can slow everything down. Next up, make sure your Telegram app is completely up to date. Sometimes we forget about app updates, but these are super important. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for the latest version. Updates don't just bring new features. They often include performance improvements and bug fixes, which can directly impact your download speed. If you're running an older version, you might be missing out on tweaks that could make your downloads much faster. Now let's fine-tune your auto-download settings in Telegram. Open the app and go to Settings, then tap on Data and Storage. Look for Automatic Download Media, here where things get interesting. You'll see options for when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. Set both of these to high. This tells Telegram to prioritize speedy downloads. Also, make sure you've enabled automatic downloads for all media types like photos, videos, and files. By turning these settings to high and enabling all categories, you're telling Telegram to get your files as quickly as possible, instead of rationing your bandwidth. If you've ever noticed downloads pausing or trickling in slowly, these settings are usually the cause. Sometimes Telegram can get bogged down by old files and data that build up over time. This can slow everything, not just your files, but the app itself. To clear things up, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, and tap on Storage Usage. From there, hit Clear Cache. This wipes out temporary data that might be clogging up your app's performance. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete any of your personal messages or files, it just gives the app a fresh start. It's a bit like clearing clutter off your desk, everything runs smoother. If you've done all of the above and you're still stuck with slow downloads, sometimes a deeper reset is needed. Try clearing not just the cache, but the app's full data from your phone's settings, or as a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Telegram. This wipes away any hidden issues that might be bogging down your downloads. It might feel drastic, but if you've tried everything else, this step can be like rebooting the engine for a fast, clean start. So by following these steps, optimizing your internet, updating your app, tweaking your settings, clearing cache, and doing a reset if needed, you should see a dramatic improvement in your Telegram download speeds. If you hit a stumbling block, don't worry, just retrace your steps. And if you have a unique case or question, drop it in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you speed things up, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful tech how-tos. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.